Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about Trump coin, the official Trump coin that was launched last night, right as I was going to bed. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin and we'll talk about Solana, which is doing extremely well, and I'll tell you why that is. So, all right, let's begin. So it was about 45 last night. I was laying in bed, getting ready to go to sleep, and I see this, and I'm like, uh-oh, someone hacked his account, I thought. And I don't know. Right now, it looks like it is definitely real. So it's very interesting. If you click the link, it basically takes you to this website here, and you can just copy this address, and then you can buy it in a bunch of different places. So if you do want to get into it, first of all, be careful because there's a lot that is held by a couple different wallets. So we'll talk about all of that. So I wouldn't put a crazy amount of money in. You can get it on Bitunix if you want. So Bitunix has already listed it. They listed it only a couple hours after it went live. So that's pretty cool. You can use my link below if you want to sign up for Bitunix. It's an amazing exchange. You have futures trading, first time bonuses, welcome bonuses. There's all sorts of competitions. So you can get it on there on spot if you want it. Feel free to use that link below. It gives you a huge discount on fees. So it also helps me out. That'd be pretty cool. Anyway, so that's what we got going on. I have a little bit that I bought just recently, and I bought some using my Phantom wallet last night. No one was selling it when it went live, so it was really hard to get in. I could only buy like 50 cents at a time, but I think I only bought a couple dollars, and I'm up to I don't even know what it is. Let me check real quick. It was like $100 or something. Yeah, I'm up to $100. I only bought maybe $10 of it last night. Probably not even, honestly, probably about $5. So I'm about a 20x already. It is quite a big coin. We'll go through it. All right. So after posting that, there also was a post this morning that says, I am extremely proud of what we continue to accomplish in crypto. Trump is currently the hottest digital meme on earth. And I truly believe that World Liberty Fi will revolutionize DeFi, CeFi, and will be the future of finance. We're just getting started. So this kind of says, this is from his family here. So it kind of proves that it's a real thing. A lot of people were like, oh no, his account's hacked, blah, blah, blah. But I don't know that that's true. There is kind of a weird distribution, I'll say. So creators and CIC Digital, is that the name of his, never mind. That's a different. I don't know what CIC Digital is really. Maybe that's the company that helped launch this coin or something like that. I've heard that the Solana devs kind of helped with this as well. I really have no idea the full story behind it. Apparently, it's been out for quite some time, but now it was just opened up to public distribution. So you can see kind of who has what. 36% held by one group, and you basically have these groupings, and they unlock over time. So a lot of these, they have unlock schedules where basically, you can't do anything with it until a year from now. And then a little bit gets unlocked and you're able to sell that if you want to sell it, etc. I don't think this is going to be something like the Hawk to coin that just got dumped on everyone. I don't think Trump would do something like that just because it would risk his reputation. And he puts a lot of importance on his reputation. So I don't think that would happen, but I'm not putting more than $50 into it because I don't want to lose it, but I am, however, up already on it. So I guess it's okay. And I'm happy I put some in last night before bed for sure. But here's what we got going on. It is a $6 billion market cap already. Very interesting. A lot of volume that has gone into it in the last 24 hours, $8.6 billion of volume. So pretty insane. It is on the Solana chain. So that is why Solana is also pumping. Let's see about official Trump. Trump are now freely tradable on the blockchain. On July 13th, President Trump faced death and came up fighting with his fist in the air, an iconic battle cry, fight, fight, fight. President Trump showed the world what a leader is made of. His strength and courage ignited a movement, becoming the most memorable meme of the century. Now you can get your piece of history, the Trump meme. Interesting. I don't know. Maybe it's going to do really well. We'll see. You can see just in the last amount of time, it's done very well. I mean, since it was even listed on Bitunix, it went up about 230%. Holy crap. Started out about $11 and all the way up to about $30. So it's pumping pretty hard. And if we go look at Solana, it actually made a new all-time high. So all the way back, even if we do like the monthly and we look all the way back. So here's 2021. You can see the high was 260 and we just hit 270. What is it? 270. almost on the dot. So we have hit the all-time high. I have a lot of Solana, so this makes me extremely happy. You can see everything else is very red, though. It's almost like Solana and this Trump meme are kind of pulling a lot of the liquidity out of the market. Bitcoin has stayed pretty steady. That's good. And Sui has been pretty strong. So it's like Sui, Solana, that's pretty much it. If I go down, there's this random XCN coin I noticed on Coinbase that was pumping ridiculously as well. I haven't picked up any because it looks like it's maybe gonna retrace a little bit. So I'm gonna wait on that one. Even a lot of the AI agents that have been doing very well are down. I mean, some are down 50%, 60%. A lot of the market is down. Meme coins were up crazy yesterday. I mean, they were up, a lot of them were up 50%, and now look at, they're basically back where they started, retrace. So I don't know. If we look at Bitcoin dominance, what do we got going on here? Unfortunately, Bitcoin dominance going up again because a lot of the coins have sold off, but Bitcoin is pretty stable. So we've been trying to drop off here and start alt season for quite some time. If we look at the others market, 4-hour chart, you can see we have made a higher low, which is good. I mean, we haven't lost any progress or anything like that. We did kind of we got above this line for a little bit, now rejected back, and we're sitting down on this other line. We'll see what happens here. I still have a feeling that alt season will be coming sometime this year, for sure. So I am definitely ready for it to start, though, for sure. I have, you know, I do have mostly Bitcoin in my portfolio, but I have a lot of altcoins as well. So looking forward to that. I just wanted to make a quick video about this. I did get into it pretty early. Now, actually, another interesting thing is Solana Bitcoin. I was just looking at the Solana versus Bitcoin. And it's interesting. I mean, really, since about 2000, you know, June of 2023, we've really been gaining market share on Solana versus Bitcoin, which is quite interesting. It topped off about the end December before, and then kind of went down a little bit, but now we just pushed up pretty high again. Another thing is interesting is Solana versus Ethereum. It actually made a new all-time high in Solana's favor here. So we have a new all-time high. Interesting, very interesting here. So you can see now, I don't know what, oh, 2021. Yeah. So this is really an all-time high, a new all-time high. So that's very interesting from Solana. That's a pretty big one too, about 23% up against it. Another coin that's doing pretty well is Bonk. I noticed that one was still green out of all the memes. So Bonk has pulled back a little bit here. If we go to the daily chart, what do we got going on here? So Bonk has made some progress as well, kind of bounced off the 50% line down here, which is also my cost basis line, which is pretty funny. But we're up a decent amount on that. I don't know, man. It's interesting. So feel free to make your own decisions on the Trump coin. I'm still unsure what is going to happen. I'm going to leave whatever I have in there now, and I'm just going to let it ride for a while. Even Litecoin pulling back a little bit as well. Litecoin was doing some massive work. Look at that. And then now it's pulling back a lot. I did just pick up some more Litecoin just because it's been doing very well. And I use Litecoin to transfer back and forth between exchanges because the exchange fee is really low, and usually Litecoin doesn't see a crazy amount of price changes. It's pretty stable because it has a pretty large market cap and has been around a long time. So usually doesn't move that much. So it's kind of nice to use for transfers. Because if I use USD Tether, then I got to pay the $7 transfer fee for USD Tether because, you know, it's an Ethereum ERC20 coin. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. I just wanted to talk about the Trump coin. It's very interesting. In the beginning, I was like, oh no, we got hacked. That's not good. But it looks like, to me, it looks like it's real. So that'll be interesting. They had the crypto ball last night. I haven't watched too many videos from the crypto ball yet. I'm probably gonna get some time. I'm trying to paint my bathroom right now. I got everything torn apart. Also, I had someone kind of been harassing me lately on the channel. I had someone put copyright strikes on my videos. They've taken down 2 of my videos, so I have strikes against my channel. I'm working with YouTube to get rid of them because, you know, it's just like someone harassing me and it's not real. So that's been really annoying and kind of a bit stressful. But anyways, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Pull back here from Trump coin. So it looks like it might get down to about 28.5, and that might be a good entry if you're looking to get in. If it holds this structure up, it might. I don't know why that keeps happening. I don't know if there's something wrong with my mouse or what's going on there. But yeah, so if you want to get back in, there you go. Otherwise, if you want to use Bitunix, feel free to use the link in the description. I closed a lot of my trades yesterday, and I'm actually kind of happy I did because, you know, alts are down. But I had a Solana trade open that I closed, and that was, you know, I would have been up a lot on that Solana trade. So, oh well, you win some, you lose some. Anyways, it's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Use my Bitunix link below. Helps me out. Get in there and buy a small amount of Trump coin if you want. No pressure. It's it for the video. Have a great day. Oh, Crow coin down. Might be a good time to stack a little bit of Crow coin. Look at that pump, 210 and then back down. Anyways, it's it for the video. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.